Plastic pollution. Plastic is a material consists of wide range of synthetic compounds, so we can be molded into solid objects. Plastics are made from natural minerals such as cellulose, natural gas, salt and crude oil through a polymerization process. The world's first fully synthetic plastic was bakelite, invented in New York in 1907. Since then, today we produced almost 400 million tons of plastic bags in a year, which less than 20% is getting recycled. Plastic bags are everywhere, on trees, on land, in water, in our oceans, lakes, rivers, to almost all corners of the world. Life cycle stages of plastic. In plastics are manufactured. It releases toxic byproduct waste. It effects on environment and human health. After the distribution, use of plastic, leaching of chemicals takes place and enter the human food chain. Disposal of plastics because inclination process which involves and takes place the combination of organic substance contained waste materials. Now let's see how its effects on environment. In plastic, one of the toxic non-degradable pollution which pollutes land, air, water, etc. Plastic causes serious damage to the environment during manufacture and its disposal. The manufacture of plastic in industry release the huge quantity of carbon monoxide, hydrogenic cyanide. Being a non-degradable material, land filling with plastic prevents the poisons forever. It impacts of plastics on land. Plastic pollution on land is both physical and chemically. It reduces soil fertility by forming the path of formation of weeds. Plastics in soil can lessen the growth of plants and trees by blocking the absorption of minerals, water and other nutrients. The only reason why we still have capacity in our land to throw the plastic, it is because we dump most of them in our oceans. It impacts on plastics on air. Industries impact large amounts of carbon monoxide, dioxide and hydrogen. These gases pollute and contaminated in air and causes respiration diseases, nervous system disorders and immunity suppression in human beings. Plastics impacts on human health. We come into contact with plastic in all stages of all life cycle of contraction of raw materials to manufacture of plastic through the consumption, usage and finally their disposal. Cancer, diabetic, chronic infection and various immune diseases are some of the examples several issues caused by plastic and it is toxic compounds. Heavy substance released in the extraction of waste in process having a strongly linked process able to populations such as children and pregnant women. How plastic reach human? For example, we can take plastic effects used through oceans. Plastic prevents in the ocean do not biodegradable, so they break up into tiny pieces that affects the oceans. These plastic products also act as sponge and soak up other toxics present in the ocean. Because of these plastic products, marine life gets contaminated, which is further consumed by humans. How to reduce plastic pollution? We can use cloth bags. By using cloth bags, save 6 plastic bags per a week. Avoid single use plastic such as drinking straw. If you go into shop, remember to take a cloth bag. This is helpful to reduce the plastic pollution.